Hello everyone, welcome back. I recently bought this glossy white paper from Amazon. So let's see his review and demo. So this one MRP is $699, but I got it at a discounted price of $396. And this wallpaper give your furniture a sleek, glossy white marble finish that look classy and modern. The dimension of this roll is 24 by 120 inches, making it perfect for variety of uses. And I'm going to apply this to my table, this workstation. Actually the white surface has become yellowish, so I just wanted to give it a new look. And to use, it's super simple. First you clean the surface thoroughly and it should be dry. Now peel off the backing paper and stick the wallpaper onto the dry surface. Make sure that there are no vacuum spaces in between. Keep pressing and keep rolling. So this wallpaper is waterproof, gives a shiny glossy finish to the surface, and it would be easy to clean in case you spill anything on this. Just peel off and stick. It's so easy to use, and the best part is it won't damage your furniture with any sticky residue when removed. So it's great for temporary and long-term use. You can use this on your cupboard, cabinet, work table, or any smooth surface that needs a quick makeover. So overall, it's a great product. In case you want to buy, the link to purchase is given in the description box. Easy to use, give an instant transformation. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye bye.